standard central air conditioners. I think they're straight cool, because, I mean, they could be heat pumps or straight cools, because, I mean, it's probably in the 60s or 70s right now, and I don't know. I'm using my Sony waterproof camera, because that's all I've got. This is as close as I can get to them. I apologize about that, because as you can tell, I'm kind of on a little ledge here, and I don't know how to get over there, so I don't know if you can hear them running or not, but they're pretty nice little units. You can see the disconnect boxes probably. I don't know how long they've been there. Say probably at 6 or 7 years maybe. Alright, I guess that's basically going to be about it. There's TM Brandish way over there. Alright, that's it.